Hey there everyone, and welcome to Gadget Channel. And welcome to this this is this is called Olympus Digital Voice Recorder WS 852. We record to school, and we go to church, and we go to college, and we go to see let's look at all the stuff that it's called a USB. We can download we can edit it and download a computer. This is a recorder stand. Here goes the white while you record it. And this is a screen, and this is a left and right microphone right here, same thing. This is a off, hold, and power on. We're gonna see this is a memory card area, micro SD memory card area. It's called 4 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes, and 32 gigabytes only. This is a stop button, record button, erase button, folder index button, menu button, and calendar and sync button. And they built the speaker right here. The microphone jack and the headphones jack, which is this is a volume up, it's a down button, rewind and fast forward button, play/OK button. We're going to test it out just a moment. The Olympus Digital Voice Recorder WS 852. They cost $58. I got it on eBay. Let's turn it. Let's turn it on. You go see it. Let's see what happens. This is folder A. This is folder B, folder C, folder D, and folder E. Let's go to our folder A. Let's test it out. Recorder. Hey there everyone, and welcome to the District Gadget Channel. And then you can press stop right here. Sometimes let's try it if it works. Hey there everyone, and welcome to the District Gadget Channel. And then you well, sometimes they got speaker, they got the power on, USB on, and then the on/off, and records, and they got batteries, and holder reportable speakers, and this is a core. So what you gotta do is and this how you can see this is called the ATM. We got 134 hours, 37 minutes, and 47 seconds left. When your time is up, I need to catch up with it. What do you ever do? Is something like it call what did it call with let's go to menu. Let's go to with it. MP3 high quality, MP3 or SP mono. MP3 is long term record. long-term record. And cause it is okay. This called it is just it with this is called a tri a triple A batteries. A AAA batteries. We're gonna see the with the with all this time we you call we you call we you call to school, college, church, and more. Like you go outside. You can see that every time you see you see what's you can see the well now that's it for now that's it for the Gadget channel. Thank you so much for coming. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye. Hey there everyone, and welcome to Gadget channel. And welcome to the this is called Olympus digital voice recorder WS852. We go to school, and we go to church, and we go to college.